Hi, this is Andrew Friedman, author of Thrive, the leader's guide to building a high-performance culture. And in today's Accelerator, we're going to talk about a package, the package of vision, values, and then goals, strategies, and tactics. And this package that we're talking about today is absolutely fundamental. It is critical to you building this high-performance culture. Let's dig in. We're going to start with vision. Everything starts with vision. Vision for an organization, it's not just about having words on a paper, a vision statement, or even a long-form narrative. What it's about is having this clear and compelling picture of what winning really looks like, what the purpose of the organization is, why we're here, why we exist. And you know it's not just about profit. Profit is a lagging indicator, byproduct of you bringing your vision to life. But way too often we see words on a paper, we see words on a website, and they really don't mean anything to people. When we survey employees, they often say, not sure what the vision is, or we don't follow it, or we make decisions that aren't in alignment with it, we're confused, we're not sure. And that's a problem. That creates deceleration towards a high-performance culture. So we've got to make sure that the vision is clear. It needs to be compelling. It needs to be powerful and aspirational. It needs to have meaning. And then it needs to be woven into everything that you do in the organization. From your recruiting posts, to hiring and interviewing, to onboarding, to training, to development, to how you run meetings, to how you debate issues, to how you think about new products and new services and which ones to keep and which ones to launch and frankly, which ones to kill. So that's vision. Really important that you start there. Second, values. This is the foundation of the organization. The values really guide and govern how we think and how we behave. This really helps to inform the hiring piece. This really guides how we're going to resolve conflicts, how we're going to make decisions, tough decisions, easy decisions, any decisions. And it also is really important when you're managing performance to reinforce to people what's critical to the organization. It's not just about producing revenue. It's not just about manufacturing widgets. It's about doing it in a way that aligns with what we value most. Think of it this way. Absent of performance, producing widgets or producing revenue in those two examples, what else does the value hold? What does the company hold most dear? What else will make sure that people not only stay but thrive in their roles in your organization? This is what we're talking about with values. And connected to those values, we really recommend that you have behavioral statements. What does it look like when these values are in play? It's not enough just to have the values. People need the context to understand what it looks like when I'm bringing these values to life in an appropriate way or in an inappropriate way so that we can correct that kind of thinking and the behavior. So if we've got vision aspirationally at the top, we've got values as the foundation, what's in between then are your goals, your strategies, and your tactics. And these need to be extremely clear, very precise, and in absolute alignment with the vision. If it all starts with vision, and that's why we exist, then the only things we should be working on, projects and initiatives and business units and service offerings, are things that advance us towards that vision. This really helps to bust or break any politics, any turf wars, any silos, any behind the scenes kind of skunk works kinds of stuff that's going on. This really helps to align senior leaders, and frankly, that's where we see a lot of deceleration happen. It's at the executive level where leaders are not aligned. They say they are, but then when they leave meetings, they go work on other stuff, right? Or they take resources or they fight over resources to work on their pet projects. That is not a high-performing organization. It's the exact opposite. So we want to make sure that you've got this package in place, the vision, the values, and then the goals, the strategies, and the tactics that really line up to us moving swiftly with acceleration towards that vision.